Well, Bob, we noticed even in our own live shots that we had some weather issues, so they're
some
around.
Lightning and thunder around too, and people who move here are not too familiar with all the lightning that we get normally, and we're starting to see that on a regular basis. I had a chance to talk to a group, the newcomers of Sarasota, gathered today at the Bird Key Yacht Club, and over 120 in attendance, learning all about Florida's weather, and I appreciate them inviting me to be a speaker there. They always have a great group and a great lunch too. You know, always get a good lunch out of this, and learned a lot of information that they did, we hope, about hurricane safety and also lightning safety, which is very important here along the Suncoast. Boy, we've had some impressive shots of thunderstorms and roll clouds and shelf clouds as of late. This one today from Jeannie sent in from Sarasota, a very impressive looking line of showers moving through. And get a look at this one. This one is by far the best of yesterday's shelf cloud. Joe getting this and sending it on into our Facebook page, and boy, it looks very impressive. Almost looks fake, doesn't it? But it wasn't. A lot of folks sent in photos. We appreciate all those photos coming to Pix, P-I-X, at mysuncoast.com. Well, the Van Wezel webcam looking out over Sarasota Bay, the Ringling Bridge right there, which did get hit by lightning yesterday, is showing a few showers down again, moving across the coastal locations. But a lot of the activity was inland, although down in Inglewood, they saw nearly 1.5 inches of rainfall there as the storms moved through right around 3 o'clock this afternoon. Then that line worked its way northward, and for the most part, it's gone. But notice we're getting some redevelopment, at least some showers now near Venice, stretching up towards Siesta Key. The heavier storms that were around near Parrish and Palmetto and Bradenton have since moved on, but that light rain still lingering from Nokomis to Venice and also up toward Siesta Key. There's a chance you can still see an isolated lightning strike here and there. Rainfall totals have been impressive. I mentioned near Inglewood, some areas getting up over 1 inch of rainfall. In fact, nearly 2 inches just to the northwest of Tarpon Point and to the west of Warm Mineral Springs. Elsewhere, 2 inches east of I-75 near Fruitville and also east of Bee Ridge Road, some heavier rainfall. And right there at the junction of I-75 and State Road 64 near Heritage Harbor, nearly 2 inches of rain in just a short period of time. Yeah, no worry of heat index now. It was at 98 just about an hour and a half ago, but things have cooled down. That's one of the benefits of these afternoon showers and storms, has a tendency to cool things down quite nicely. 93 degrees, that was our high today. 96, the record set back in 1964. This morning's low was at 75, and no rain officially at the airport, although they did get a brief shower here just in the last 15 minutes or so. We'll update at the 11. 75 degrees currently in Jacksonville. It's cooled. 92 in Orlando. It's 89 in Miami, and temperatures where it's rained has come down. The temperature has dropped down into the mid-70s in Lakewood Ranch, upper 70s in Venice Gardens. Bradenton Beach still warm at 87 degrees. We keep showing this dry. This is the water vapor content in the atmosphere, and this is all African dust, if you will, moving in our direction, and it may be in place Monday and Tuesday of next week. We're getting a little upper level low, which is bringing some of that drier area into southeast Florida, so maybe not as many storms tomorrow. Things will quiet down. In fact, this forecast model is depicting that tomorrow afternoon and evening doesn't show as many storms around. There'll still be a few, but not nearly as many as we've seen over the past couple of days. And I think the same holds true for Saturday and Sunday. They'll still be around in the afternoon and evening, but then on Monday and Tuesday, that larger area of dry air should start to move in and have an influence and impact on our weather. 88 now in Detroit, it's hot there. 85 in Denver, 82 degrees in Wichita, Salt Lake City at 93. 96 in Dallas, 95 in Houston. Yes, it's hot over the southern plain states, and 94 now into Atlanta. Southeast winds turn to the south at 5 to 10 knots. A light chop on the bays and inland waters. The water temperature now 90. And the forecast does call for a few scattered showers in the afternoon tomorrow. High tide 11:12 and a low tide at 3:29. Sunset at 8:27. Evening storms, still some showers around, and the rain chance dropping, though, to 20% for the rest of the evening. Partly cloudy skies, scattered storms in the afternoon. 1 or 2 of those could be strong to severe, so we'll watch that for you. The rain chances at 40% now, a little less, but still less, I think, on Monday and Tuesday as some of that drier air entrains into our area. Then we should be back to basics by Wednesday and Thursday. Haley?